The tastier recipe to start your day. To begin, we'll slice one onion. Let's chop some chive. In a bowl, we'll put 3 eggs, salt, pepper, garlic, and the chive. Let's whisk. In a pan, let's put some oil and fry the onion. We'll add 2 cans of tuna. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Let's add the mixture with the eggs. We'll cover the pan for a while and add grated mozzarella. Let's cover the pan again until the cheese melts. And our delicious recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!